You know, we're going to be watching your show very closely because you're one of the people that are coming in to our network that has a deep passion beyond residential real estate. So tell me some of the different areas of the real estate market, not just the residential, but some of the other areas of the real estate market that you've been in and that you want your show to be able to give your listeners that kind of advice.
I tried to wrap my arms around how many different potential specializations there were in real estate. And I figure there are probably somewhere around 1,200. But there are some I can't even imagine. One of my friends in the 1980s was making a huge 7-figure annual income just taking engineering reports and signing contracts for leases of spaces for radio relay towers, which we now call cell towers. And that's a niche. So we have people who invest in those towers. We have people that do site locations for any number of individuals or corporations. And we can show them how that kind of contract is different from residential income, where they don't have the 5 T's, tenants, toilets, troubles, turmoil, and taxes, where they go to triple net, where it's net of tenant difficulties, net of annual negotiations, and net of property tax and other issues. And our show is designed for, you will know if you're thinking about buying your first condo or your first house, all the way to what is your exit strategy from the high-rise office building, and how can you keep the property from owning you?
I know you're pretty passionate about that exit strategy. Would you talk about that a little bit?
Strategically, the demographics identify that about 70% of those that own commercial, industrial, multi-res properties, they're already 57 to 85 years old. Most of them have no idea what they're going to do with themselves when it's time to exit. They don't have an exit strategy. As you buy and operate any form of real estate other than the dwelling that you live in, you've got to have professionals that will help you keep you out of trouble, build you for a strategic growth. What I'm talking about is trust attorneys. Trust attorneys can help you avoid the massive taxes of what could easily happen if you step out of the picture prematurely. Tax attorneys who specifically help you strategize the tax position of properties, and exchange coordinators and accommodators. That's vital. One of the things, I hate to say it because it's not something that we believe in my 40-year marriage, but you have to have a divorce strategy because a lot of people lose the big half. They also need to hear from property inspectors for every category of property. If you're buying and operating homes, single family condos up to 4 units, and you're probably not the quintessential foremost expert on everything construction and code related, you need somebody, an outside source. Even if you are one of those experts, you need another source to give you a backgrounding look. If you haven't had that, wow, can you be in trouble fast? We'll keep you out of trouble. And if you've gotten into trouble, we can help reverse it. You've had life experiences. You've been able to overcome a lot of things. You've decided that for your future, you want to own real estate. You want to be able to operate real estate because it seems more tangible, more likely to provide for you and your family. But sometimes you find yourself owning a piece of property or a number of properties that are just a burden, that just feel like they're just beating you up. Our professionals will be able to help you revamp, to redeem yourself, your time, your energies, maybe recreate your impression of what you were trying to do in the first place. You may have passions beyond real estate. This program is designed to help you get control of and maintain growth in your portfolio and reestablish the focus of your life. I'm anxious to have you listen to Investment Insights with Barry Burnett on KABC Talk Radio 790 AM, the Real Estate Radio Network, presenting programs for you. Thank you for listening every Saturday night, 8 p.m. Investing Insights with Barry Burnett.